What's up YouTube? Lance Branjib here, and today I'm going to take you along with me to the Nike factory outlet at Subic. But before we start this video, I would like to say hi to the most beautiful and generous mayor of Palayan City, Honorable Ryan Joson Cuevas, and to the Sangguniang Panglungsod headed by Vice Mayor of Palayan, Honorable Moises Carmona Jr., and to the hardworking City Councilor of Palayan City, Mother Julius Santa Maria. Hello po sa inyo lahat. So, let's go! So first, let's check out the Air Maxes, which are on sale for up to 40% off. Here are some of the Air Maxes on sale. Here is the clearance section, where some of the sneakers are on sale for up to 50% off. Also have Element 55s on sale, selling for $5,058. Here are the Air Force Ones available. Guys, sulit na sulit! Wow! Oh, I like this one. They have this green Cortez. I like that. Selling for only $3,146. Gusto mo ba din yung Cortez? For basketball fans out there, here are the basketball shoes available. this one looks really cool. The Nike EXP14 selling for $5,058. I think one of the best looking sneaker here is the Air Max Have a Nike Day, selling for 5,396 pesos. Sadly, only size 13 is available. And this Air Max 97 selling for 6,746 pesos. Next, let's check out the Jordan section. Foam posits on sale, but they're still expensive. If you're looking for Nike React, they have a bunch of colorways on sale. Here are the rest of the sneakers available. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more. I hope you like it and there are more sneaker vlogs coming in your way. Thank you for watching. Please leave us a like and subscribe for more videos. Peace and God bless. Sorry. Peace and God bless. Bye-bye and click the subscribe button.